Brand Samsung. Model name Samsung Galaxy F54 5G. Operating system Android V13. Custom UI Samsung One UI. Processor Samsung Exynos 1380. CPU Octa Core. Primary clock speed 2.4 GHz. Quad core Cortex A78. Secondary clock speed 2 GHz. Quad core Cortex A55. Architecture 64-bit. Fabrication 5nm. Graphics Mali G68 MP5. RAM 8 GB. Storage internal memory 256 GB. Expandable memory yes up to 1 TB. User available storage up to 218 GB. Battery capacity 6000 mAh. Battery type Leon. Removable battery no. Battery tactile up to 55 hour 4G. Quick charging battery yes fast 25 watt. USB type C. Display type Super AMOLED Plus. Screen size 6.7 inch. Resolution 1080 into 2400 pixel. Aspect ratio 20:9. Pixel density 393 ppi. Skin body ratio 85.02%. Bezel-less display yes with punch-hole display. Touch screen yes capacitive touch screen multi-touch. Refresh rate 120 Hz. Network and connectivity SIM slots dual SIM GSM plus GSM. SIM size SIM 1 Nano, SIM 2 Nano hybrid. Network support 5G, 4G, 3G, 2G, VoLTE. SIM 1 5G bands, 4G bands, 3G bands, 2G bands, GPRS, EDGE. SIM 2 5G bands, 4G bands, 3G bands, 2G bands, EDGE. Wi-Fi, yes, Wi-Fi 6. Bluetooth, yes, V5.3. GPS, yes, with AGPS GLONASS. Camera, rear camera, primary camera 108 megapixel, secondary camera 8 megapixel, tertiary camera 2 megapixel. Autofocus, yes, OIS, yes, plus, yes, LED plus. Image resolution 12000 into 9000 pixel. Front camera, primary 32 megapixel, autofocus no, plus no. Design, height 164.9 mm, wide 77.3 mm, thickness 8.4 mm, weight 199 grams. Multimedia, loudspeaker, yes, audio jack, USB type C. Sensor, fingerprint sensor, yes, fingerprint sensor position, side. Other sensor, light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope. In the box, handset, cable, ejection pin, user manual. Warranty showing 1 year manufacturer warranty for device and 6 months manufacturer warranty for in-box accessories.